All right, we just wrapped up a site here. Just going to show you a couple things. This is the rack we installed right here. Everything's bolted to the floor. They didn't want the ladder rack actually bolted to the rack, so it's suspended above it. So we got our wires coming in. Got a nice service loop up top coming in to the front, all Panduit jacks, Leviton jacks here, all nice and neat, going into the patch panels. This is an extra wire for their cameras. That's for a voice, so that's all done there. As you see, the rack we had to do some modifications with this rack to get this in here. These pipes were already here, so we had to do some modifications to it. We did some grounding up here. This whole thing is grounded. The back, the fronts, the sides. Grounded here to the bus bar down here. It's all been grounded. It's one of the Wi-Fi units up there. So yeah, this is what they still have to come in. These wires, don't mind these. These are for access control, and they didn't come out and do that yet. So, but everything else has been done, nice and neat, nice and straight. Coming in, everything's by color code. This job, they actually wanted their cameras yellow, their Wi-Fi in gray, and their data in blue. So everything came down nice and neat.